best trip of my life.
I got to learn a lot more. It's a very good experience.
I would say do it 100%. Before the trip, I was excited, nervous, I was all of them. I didn't really know how to feel.
I was excited and nervous because obviously I've never been to Asia. Well, before the trip, yeah, it was very, very exciting. Just the feeling of telling my mum, my aunties, my uncles that I'm coming to Thailand.
When I found out about the trip, I was anxious because I didn't know who was going, didn't know if I had anyone to hang out with. Came, made friends instantly. We all just got along really, really well. I think my favourite bit about the trip was all the team building at the start, where we were just going in this room for hours, playing all these different games, getting to know each other.
We had a lot of varieties of activities, but for me, my personal favourites was when we went to the tallest building in Thailand. We had a glass floor, which everyone was very scared to go on.
My favourite part of the trip was the kayaking. I thought it was very fun. Learned a new skill as well because I haven't done kayaking, and bonding as well because there was 2 people in a kayak. What surprised me about Thailand was how welcoming and nice the community was. Every time I speak to a local, they're always trying to teach me new things, help me improve, especially when we went to the college where all the students were welcoming and we made loads of friends, met new people you just wouldn't usually meet.
I have a lot of favourite parts of the trip, but I'll try to keep it a bit short. I just like how everyone clicked. I didn't really speak to a lot of people before the trip, but I feel like this Thailand trip really connected a lot of people. The activities were amazing as well.
I'd say definitely sign up, even if you don't think you're gonna get it. Just sign up anyway, because you never know where it might lead you.
I say just take the opportunity. So I didn't want to go. My mum signed me up and it's turned out to be the best trip of my life.